Have you ever stumbled upon a number that seems so ordinary, yet holds secrets that could boggle your mind? Well, get ready to dive into the fascinating world of mathematical curiosities. More exciting content is on the way. Like and subscribe to stay tuned. Today, we're uncovering some of the most surprising and counterintuitive facts in the realm of numbers that might just change the way you see mathematics forever. First up, let's talk about the number 0. You might think, 0. That's just nothing, right? But hold on. 0 is actually a hero in the world of mathematics. Imagine trying to do arithmetic without it. It's like baking a cake without flour. But here's the kicker, 0 is the only number that can't be represented by Roman numerals. Yes, the Romans were so busy conquering lands that they didn't even have a symbol for nothing. They had to get creative with their counting, and when it came to 0, it was a big fat 0. Now, let's hop over to the number 9. What's so special about it, you ask? Well, did you know that 9 has this magical ability to appear in all sorts of unexpected places? For instance, if you multiply any number by 9, the sum of the digits of the product will always reduce down to 9. Try it. 3 times 9 is 27, and 2 plus 7 equals 9. 7 times 9 is 63, and 6 plus 3 also equals 9. It's like 9 is playing a secret game of hide and seek with us. Not just that, but if you take any number, say 15, and add the digits together until you reach a single digit, you'll find that 15 reduces to 6. But if you multiply 15 by 9, you get 135, which reduces to 9. It's as if 9 is the ultimate gatekeeper of the digital world. Okay, let's move on to something that might make you scratch your head, the Fibonacci sequence. Picture this, you're at a party, and someone starts talking about a sequence of numbers that seems to pop up in nature, art, and even architecture. It starts with 0 and 1, and the next number is the sum of the two before it. So, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, and it goes on forever. But what's truly wild is that if you take the ratio of consecutive Fibonacci numbers, it approaches the golden ratio, approximately 1.618. This golden ratio is found in everything from the spirals of seashells to the petals of flowers and even in the masterpieces of artists like Leonardo da Vinci. It's as if nature has a mathematical blueprint, and the Fibonacci sequence is the secret code. Now for a twist, let's talk about prime numbers. You might think primes are just numbers that can't be divided evenly by anything other than 1 and themselves, but there's something even weirder about them. Did you know that there are infinitely many prime numbers? Yes, in fact, the ancient Greek mathematician Euclid proved this over 2,000 years ago. But here's the funny part, for every prime number, there's a corresponding twin prime. Twin primes are pairs of prime numbers that have just one number between them, like 11 and 13, or 17 and 19. They're like the best friends of the number world. But as we dig deeper, there are still mysteries surrounding twin primes that mathematicians are trying to solve. It's like a never-ending quest to find the ultimate duo. And speaking of quests, here's a fun little mind-bender for you. Consider the number 1089. If you take any 3-digit number where the digits are in descending order, subtract the smallest number you can form from it, and then reverse the result, you will always end up with 1089. Try it out with 732 minus 237 gives you 495, and reversing that gives you 594. Adding those together, you guessed it, 1089. It's almost like 1089 is the grand finale to a magic trick. So, as we wrap up our mathematical adventure, here's a question for you. What other hidden patterns and curiosities do you think lie within the numbers we encounter every day? Maybe next time you see a number, you'll look a little closer and discover its magical secrets. Until then, keep exploring the wonders of mathematics. Before you go, like and subscribe so you don't miss our next big thing.